Hi, let's get to know the People section of the GoPioneer SmartWiFi app. From the main dashboard, you can see all the people profiles you have set up for members of your home. Tap See All to manage or add new ones. Select a profile to manage. Here you can see the profile activity. Tap the arrows icon to expand and see a complete picture of this profile's online usage and connected devices. In the device section, you can view existing devices and their status. Tap on an assigned device to pause or resume service. Or tap Assign to add a new device to an existing profile. Tap the plus button to add new people. Then add profile details and assign connected devices. Restrictions can be added for each profile, including time limits and content restrictions. You're all set. Enjoy. Visit GoPioneer.com for more information.